There is only one way to improve your SAT or ACT score. Watch this video to find out how.
Did you know that top American universities and colleges are not interested in how much you learned in school?
But, more importantly, they are interested to know how good is your ability to learn.
And this is exactly what the SAT and the ACT tests measure.
So, in effect, both the SAT and the ACT measure your learning skills.
Preparatory books and courses will give you familiarity with the exam format, but they do not enhance your learning skills.
And their impact on the SAT and the ACT exam score will be limited.
There is only one sure way to get a high score in the SAT and the ACT exam. Increase your learning skills.
The Learning Skills Enhancement Program is 1. Clinically proven. 2. Tried and tested in the US and 32 countries. 3. Increases your probability in getting into a top college, manifold. 4. Makes learning easier and faster.
So, the choice is yours. Either choose the old way to prepare for the SAT and the ACT exam, without much impact on your score, or
choose the new age, clinically proven method of increasing your learning skills, and give a major boost to your SAT and ACT score.
To know more about this life-impacting program, call 98101499130.